Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
The act of scattering water about haphazardly. Splashing. The sound like water splashing. Plash. The act of splashing a liquid substance on a surface. Spatter, spattering, splashing, splattering. A small quantity of something moist or liquid. Just a splash of whiskey. Dab, splatter. A prominent or sensational but short-lived news event. He made a great splash and then disappeared. Stir. A patch of bright color. Her red hat gave her outfit a splash of color. Walk through mud or mire. Slop, slosh, splosh, squelch, squish. Make a splashing sound. Water was splashing on the floor. Slosh, slush, splosh. Cause, a liquid, to spatter about, especially with force. She splashed the water around her. Splosh, sprinkle. Dash a liquid upon or against. The mother splashed the baby's face with water. Plash, spatter, splatter, splosh, swash. Mark or overlay with patches of contrasting color or texture. Cause to appear splashed or spattered. The mountain was splashed with snow. Soil or stain with a splashed liquid. Strike and dash about in a liquid. The boys splashed around in the pool.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.